Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education Tutorial. My name is Tejas Joshi, your friend. Let's continue question and answer general knowledge in MCQ. Today start aptitude in simple interest. Let's start question. First question is, a sum of memory at simple interest amounts to rupees 815 in 3 years and to rupees 854 in 4 years. The sum is, आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर. A 650, B 690, C 698, D 700. आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब. आंसर इज C. Let's check out explanation. SI for 1 year is equal to rupees 854 minus 815 is equal to rupees 39. And SI for 3 years is equal to rupees 39 into 3 is equal to rupees 117. And principal is equal to rupees 815 minus 117 is equal to rupees 698. That's why option C 698. Let's check out next question. Mr. Thomas invested an amount of rupees 13,900 divided in two different schemes A and B at the simple interest rate of 14% PA and 11% PA respectively. Is the total amount of simple interest earned in 2 years B rupees 3,508. What was the amount invested in scheme B? आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर. A 6,400, B 6,500, C 7,200, D 7,500. या E none of this. आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब. Option is A. Let's check out explanation. Let the sum invested in scheme A be rupees 8x and that in scheme B rupees 13,900 minus x, then x into 14 and 14 into 2 divided into 100 plus 13,900 minus x into 11 into 2 divided by 100 is equal to 3,508. 20x minus 22x is equal to 3,15,800 minus 13 6,900 into 22 6x is equal to 45,000 is equal to x is equal to 7,500. So sum invested in scheme B is equal to rupees 13,900 minus 7,500 is equal to 66,400. That's why option A 6,400. Let's check next question. A sum fetched to total simple interest of rupees 4,016 at the rate of 9 PCPA in 5 years. What is the sum? आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। A 4,462.50, B 8,032.50, C 8,900, D 8,925 या E none of this। आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is D 8,925. Let's check explanation. Principal is equal to rupees in 100 into 4,016.25 divided by 9 into 5 is equal to rupees 4,000 4,16,025 divided by 45 is equal to 8,925. That's why option D 8,925. Let's check next question. How much time will it take for an amount of rupees 450 to yield rupees 81 as interest at 4.5% per annum of simple interest? आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। A 3.5 years, B 4 years, C 4.5 years, D 5 years। आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is B 4 years. Let's check explanation. Time is equal to 100 into 81. 450 into 4.5 years is equal to 4 years. That's why 4 years. Option is B. Let's Reena took a loan of rupees 1,200 with simple interest for as many years at the rate of interest if the paid rupees 432 as interest at the end of the loan period, what was the rate of interest? आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। ए 3.6, बी 6, सी 18, डी कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड, ई नन ऑफ दिस। आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is B. Let's check out how can do explanation. Let rate is equal to R percent and time is equal to R years. Then 1200 into R divided by 100 is equal to 432 is equal to 12 R square is equal to 432. R square is equal to 36. R is equal to 6. That's why option is B 6. Let's check out next question. A sum of rupees 12,500 amount to rupees 15,500 in 4 years at the rate of simple interest. What is the rate of interest? आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। ए 3%, बी 4%, सी 5%, डी 6%, ई नन ऑफ दिस। आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Option is D. Let's check out how can do explanation. SI is equal to rupees 15,500 minus 12,500 is equal to rupees 3,000. Rate is equal to 100 into 3,000 divided by 12,500 into 4. Percentage is equal to 6. That's why option is D 6%. Let's check out next question. A automobile financier claims to be lending money at simple interest, but he includes the interest every 6 months for calculating the principal. If he is changing an interest of 10%, the effective rate of interest becomes, आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। ए 10%, बी 10.25%, सी 10.5%, डी none of these। आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is B 10.25%. Let's check explanation. How can do? Let the sum B rupees 100. Then SI simple interest for first 6 months is equal to rupees 100 into 10 into 1 divided by 100 into 2 is equal to rupees 5. Simple interest for last 6 months is equal to rupees 105 into 10 into 1 divided by 100 into 2 is equal to rupees 5.25. So amount at the end of 1 year is equal to rupees 100 plus 5 plus 5.25 is equal to rupees 110.25. That's why effective rate is equal to 110.25 minus 100 is equal to 10.25%. That's why option B 10.25. Let's check next question. A late rupees 5,000 to B for 2 years and rupees 3,000 to C for 4 years on simple interest at the same rate of interest and received rupees 2,200 in all from both of them as interest. The rate of interest per annum is, आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर, A 5%, B 7%, C 1 divided by 8%, D 10%. आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is D 10%. Let's check explanation. How can do? Let the rate be R percent is PA. Then 5,000 into R into 2 divided by 100 plus 3,000 into R into 4 divided by 100 is equal to 2,200. 100 R plus 120 R is equal to 2,200. R is equal to 2,200 divided by 220 is equal to 10. That's why rate is equal to 10%. That's why option D 10%. Let's check out next question. A sum of rupees 725 is lent in the beginning of a year at a certain rate of interest. After 8 months, a sum of rupees 362.50 more is lent, but at the rate which the farmer at the end of the year rupees 33.50 is earned as interest from both the loans. What was the original rate of interest? आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपकी स्क्रीन पर। A 3.6%, B 4.5%, C 5%, D D 6%, या E none of this। आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is E none of this। Let's check explanation how it do। Let the original rate R, then new rate is equal to 2R%। Note here original rate for 1 year, the new rate for only 4 months, that is 1 divided by 3 years, that's why 725 into R into 1 divided by 100 plus 362.50 into 2R into 1 divided by 100 into 3 is equal to 33.50 is equal to 2175 plus 725 R is equal to 33.50 into 100 into 3, 2175 plus 725 R is equal to 1050 is equal to 2900, R is equal to 1050। R is equal to 10,050 divided by 2900 is equal to 3.46। Original rate is equal to 3.46, that's why option E none of these। Let's check next question। A man took loan from a bank at the rate of 12% PA simple interest। After 3 years he had to pay rupees 5,400 interest only for the period the principal amount borrowed by him was। आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। ए ₹2000, बी ₹10,000, सी ₹15,000, डी ₹20,000। आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is C 15,000। Let's check out how can do explanation। Principal is equal to rupees 100 into 5,400 divided by 12 into 3 is equal to rupees 15,000, that's why option C 15,000। Let's check next question। A sum of money amounts to rupees 9,800 after 5 years and rupees 12,005 after 8 years at the same rate of simple interest। The rate of interest per annum is। आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। ए 5%, बी 8%, सी 12%, डी 15%। आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is C, 12%. Let's check explanation. How can do? Simple interest for 3 years, rupees 12,005 minus 9,800 is equal to rupees 2,205. Simple interest for 5 years is equal to rupees 2,205 divided by 3 into 5 is equal to 3,675. That's why principal is equal to rupees 9,800 minus 3,675 is equal to rupees 6,125. Here rate is equal to 100 into 3,675 divided by 6,125 into 5% is equal to 12. That's why option C, 12%. Let's check next question. What will be the ratio of simple interest earned by certain amount at the same rate of interest for 6 years and that for 9 years? आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। A 1/3, B 1/4, C 2/3, D data inadequate, E none of these. आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is C, 2/3. Let's check how can do explanation. Let the principal be P and rate of interest be 2%. P into 2, P into R into 6 divided by 100. Required ratio is equal to P into R into 9 divided by 100 is equal to 6. PR divided by 9 PR is equal to 6 divided by 9 is equal to 2/3. That's why option C, 2/3. Let's check next question. A certain amount on simple interest of rupees 1,750 after 7 years and had interest been 2% more, how much more interest would it have earned? आपके ऑप्शन ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। A 335 RS 35, B rupees 245, C 350, D data cannot be determined, या E none of these. आप आंसर सोच लीजिए, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। Answer is D, cannot be determined. Let's check out explanation. We need to know the simple interest principal and time to find the rate. Since the principal is not given, so data is in dispute। दोस्तों, अगर मेरा वीडियो आपको पसंद आ रहा है तो मेरा वीडियो जरूर से अपने दोस्तों को शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कीजिए और बेल आइकन को जरूर से क्लिक कर लीजिएगा, ताकि मेरे वीडियो आपको अब तक जल्द से जल्द पहुंच पाए और आपको मेरे जब होने वाले जब भी सेशन होंगे वो आपको जल्दी से मिल पाए। तो मेरे चैनल पे बने रहिए और सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कीजिए। मेरे वीडियो आप अपने दोस्तों को जरूर से शेयर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।